Outdoor adventures become even more meaningful when every trip feels simple and enjoyable. In this guide to the best camping cart foldable baby stroller, discover a practical companion for family outings, weekend escapes, and memorable journeys. The right stroller can bring greater convenience, reduce daily stress, and help you focus on creating happy moments with your child wherever you go. Number 1. Camping Cart Foldable Baby Stroller. Foldable design for easy storage and transport. This camping cart features an foldable structure, making it simple to store when not in use. Its compact design fits easily in car trunks or small spaces, ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Adjustable backrest for comfort and safety. Equipped with an adjustable backrest, this stroller supports babies and toddlers from 0 to 3 years old. The customizable angle ensures comfort during naps or travel, especially suitable for autumn outings. 2-directional pushing for ultimate flexibility. Designed to be pushed in 2 directions, this stroller offers better control and visibility. Parents can easily switch between forward and backward pushing based on their preference or child's needs. Sturdy build with high load capacity. With a load bearing of 10 kilograms, this stroller safely supports young children up to 3 years old. The durable construction ensures stability and reliability on various terrains during outdoor trips. Safe and certified for child use. Certified under ASTM. This product meets strict safety standards for children's strollers. It contains no high concerned chemicals, ensuring a safe experience for infants and toddlers. Number 2. Double stroller for newborn and toddler. Perfect for newborns and toddlers. This double stroller is designed for infants from 0-1Y and toddlers up to 3-6Y, offering safe and comfortable rides for twins or siblings of different ages. Lightweight and compact fold. Featuring a lightweight compact fold mechanism, this stroller is easy to store and transport, making it ideal for travel, shopping, or daily use with minimal effort. Adjustable recline for comfort. Equipped with an adjustable recline function, the stroller supports multiple positions to ensure comfort for babies and toddlers during naps or outings. Durable stainless steel frame. Built with a strong stainless steel frame, this tandem stroller offers long-lasting durability and reliable performance across various terrains and conditions. High load capacity for safety. With a load bearing of 10 kilograms, each seat safely supports growing children, ensuring stability and peace of mind during every journey. Number 3. New Lying Lightweight Stroller Foldable. Lightweight and foldable design. This 4-wheel stroller features a foldable travel pram design, making it easy to store and transport. Weighing only 11.000 kilograms, it's ideal for on-the-go parents seeking convenience. 2-way adjustable seat. The 2-way function allows the seat to face parents or the front, providing flexibility for babies' comfort and interaction. Perfect for both newborns and toddlers during travel. High load capacity and durable build. Constructed with iron tube and other materials, this stroller supports up to 20 kilograms, ensuring long-term durability and safety for children aged 0-6 years. Smooth 360 degrees maneuverability. Equipped with 4 wheels, this stroller offers smooth and stable movement on various surfaces. The high-view design enhances visibility and control during walks. Safe and chemical-free materials. Made with no high-concerned chemicals, this stroller meets safety standards for baby products. It's a healthy and safe choice for infants and young children. Number 4. Lightweight Baby Stroller. High-view baby stroller. Lightweight and compact design. Weighing only 9.000 kilograms. This lightweight 4-wheel stroller is easy to carry and store. Its compact foldable structure fits perfectly in car trunks or small homes, ideal for busy parents on the go. High view and 2-way seat function. The 2-way seat allows your child to face forward or backward, enhancing comfort and safety. The high view design offers better visibility, keeping your baby engaged with the world around them. Shock absorbing suspension system. Equipped with a shock absorbing system, this stroller ensures a smooth ride on uneven terrain. The aluminium alloy frame provides durability and stability, protecting your child during every journey. Safe and eco-friendly materials made from aluminium alloy and other safe materials. This stroller contains no high concerned chemicals. It meets 3C certification, ensuring quality and safety for infants and toddlers. Universal fit for ages 0-6 years, suitable for babies from 0-6 months up to 3 years old. This stroller supports children in the 0-1Y, 1-2Y, and 3-6Y age ranges. The adjustable seat fits growing kids comfortably and securely. Number 5. Baby stroller 3-in-1 pool leather baby 3-inch-1 versatile baby stroller. This 3-inch-1 baby stroller grows with your child, offering multiple configurations for newborns to toddlers. Perfect for everyday use and long-term value. It supports babies from birth up to 3 years old. High-quality pool leather construction crafted with premium pool leather. This stroller features a sleek, durable shell-type design. The material is easy to clean and provides a luxurious look while ensuring long-lasting performance. Smooth two-way foldable mechanism equipped with a two-way foldable system. This stroller folds compactly in seconds. Ideal for travel and storage. It fits easily in car trunks or small spaces without compromising convenience. Advanced shock absorption system designed with shock absorption baby car technology. This stroller ensures a smooth, comfortable ride for your little one. The suspension system reduces bumps and vibrations on uneven surfaces. Sturdy stainless steel frame built with a strong stainless steel frame. This stroller supports up to 20 kilograms load capacity. It offers excellent stability and durability for daily use and outdoor adventures.